Hi YouTube.
Hey YouTube friends and family, it's your boy Reviews, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the Miroir HD projector. It's the model number M220. It's a micro projector. It's a Texas Instrument DLP projector that is actually sold at the Apple store, but you can buy it from Best Buy and other places. But it's also it's compatible with the Apple iPhone, the iPad, the MacBook Pro, and it has USB-C connector. So you'll find that this gives you kind of native 720p resolution. Maximum output is a 1080p. The nice part about this is that it projects about the size of a 100-inch screen. So we'll check it out. Let's open it. So let's get to opening this. We're gonna figure out how to do it. This is the box, just so you know. It's super small. This is a iPhone 8, and look at this. This is the size of the box. So this is a projector. I remember when projectors were huge. And again, it's not gonna be the same as some of the bigger projectors that can do, the lumen count on this, I think, is only 400 lumens. So you can't project this outside in the sunlight, but for what you need it for, like if you're doing presentations, things like that, is actually quite nice. It has two little plastic tabs on the top, or I should say stickers, that keep it shut. And we're gonna open it up, check it out. Trying to do more technology reviews. If I can get this box open.
Meanwhile.
See, this is the problem with technology. You can't get into boxes. We're close. And this is also the problem with not having fingernails. So to all my folks out there that cut their nails short, just remember, short nails. I'm still trying to get through this box.
Eventually.
Okay, here we go. All right. And here we go. All right, so opening this up. Oh, that's pretty cool. So you can see this. So this is it. It opens the box. And inside here is a nice little fancy little projector. It has a 2-hour battery reserve, USB-C input for video and for charging. So no HDMI adapters required with the MacBook Pro, which I have a MacBook Pro. And then it gives you kind of like a breakdown of all of the little things on here. Let's see if it'll focus. But gives you a breakdown of all the things that it can do, all the ports that it has. But this is like a super small, look at this. These are ports in the back. USB-C audio out, using a kind of audio plug, which is kind of weird, but I guess it does USB as well. And then of course, HDMI, but your audio can be transferred from your computer to whatever device through USB-C. And so it has a USB video port, but then it has a different charging port. So USB video, USB charging, HDMI, and then you have a regular USB port and then an audio port here. But like if you see the size of my hand, I mean, my hands are big, but this is like super small. In the box, what's in the box? So information booklet, a USB-C to USB-C cable, which is kind of cool if you have a MacBook. A lot of computers now you have USB-C, so this is useful and easy. It has an HDMI to HDMI port, which is, some computers have HDMI. You can go HDMI to HDMI, or HDMI to like a DVD player, things like that. So that's kind of cool. That's in the box. It has a HDMI to USB-C adapter, which is also useful again, so you can plug this in. And then you have a charging brick you have this charging brick, which is a USB-C charging brick. And this adapter. Now, I'm assuming that it has this. I've noticed that a lot of the new devices that things are coming with lately have this. This is so that they can market things worldwide, and the only thing they have to change is this. And then you could have this. This would work with an adapter for European standard models or for UK models. So basically it just snaps on and that's it. There you go. And you're good to go. Let's see how easy it is to take this off. Oh, push this. There's a push button in there. I didn't see that. Push that in and then you slide it off. It's super easy. So slides on, push the button, slide it off. There you go. So this is it. I mean, I'm gonna do a review probably this weekend of what this actually looks like, because this is super small. When I tell you small, I mean, this box is small, but this is tiny. This is the iPhone 8. Look at that. It's not much bigger than the iPhone 8, and it's probably a little bit larger than the iPhone 11 Max, iPhone 11 Pro Max. But that's it in the box. So, like I said, this is just a quick review of some new technology that Apple, or I shouldn't say Apple, but that are products that are compatible with Apple products and other products too. But they sell this at the Apple Store. It lists for $3.99. If you get a student discount or a government discount, you get it for I think I got it for $3.61, which is not bad. And that's it. You know, like I said, it's a lot of new technologies coming out. Projectors aren't really a thing really anymore, but for people who are on the road a lot doing presentations, things like that, this is good because this will project up to 100-inch television equivalent size. And like I said, it's native 720p. It can do max up to 1080p, which is kind of cool. And you know, it doesn't do 4K, but you wouldn't expect a projector this size to do 4K. But it's pretty nice. And like I said, it's compact, fits in this box. Look at that. I mean, like, that's tiny. And you can pretty much take this anywhere you want to go, which I like. On here, it shows you 100-inch max image. The sound quality, I haven't tried it yet, but I'll let you know once I try it out. But it just shows you some examples of things you can do: presentations, movie night, gaming, which is always key if you're doing a side-by-side gaming. I'm personally not a person who likes this kind of gaming, you know, split screen gaming. So even if it's a big screen, it just doesn't work well for me. So in the past, what I've done is just, you know, my sons and I will have separate gaming systems, even if we're in the same house, just because it makes it so much easier. But pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Like I said, $3.99, good projector. I will let you know. I'll do some tests on it and let you know what I think about this projector, and how well it connects to my MacBook, and also what I think about this projector in the sense of how well it does in terms of projecting in a room and having a large amount of people seeing it. I'll project it on a room like maybe of 100, 200 people and see what they think. But anyway, this is your boy GB Reviews. That's it. Please subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, and please look out for some of my other videos. I thank you guys for subscribing. I thank you guys for listening to me. Please leave your comments down below too. If you've had experience using the Miroir projector, let me know what you think. I haven't seen many reviews on it, but you know, hey, I mean, cool products coming out. I like to try them. I like to see what they're like. And it says it will work in a bright room, and it says group size, a large group size. So we'll see. And it has a built-in rechargeable battery. Like I said, I forgot to say that, but a 2-hour built-in rechargeable battery, 400 lumens, has autofocus, USB-C. That's all you really need to know about it. So anyway, it's your boy GB Reviews. Thank you for watching. I am out. Please subscribe, like below.
Subscribe right below.